Are you looking to spruce up your home without breaking the bank? Look no further, we have a plethora of do-it-yourself home decorating projects that are not only easy, but also incredibly affordable. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through these simple updates that will transform your space into a stylish haven. Let's start with the walls. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders in giving your home a brand new look. Choose a color that complements your existing furniture and decor. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold hues, or create an accent wall to add a pop of drama. With a little creativity and a paintbrush, you can easily transform your walls and create a whole new atmosphere. Next, let's focus on lighting. Upgrading your lighting fixtures can have a significant impact on your home's ambiance. Consider replacing outdated fixtures with modern and energy-efficient options. You can also add more lighting sources by incorporating floor or table lamps in strategic areas. Brightening up your space will not only make it feel more inviting, but also showcase your personal style. Now let's move on to the furniture. You don't have to buy new pieces to give your home a fresh look. With some DIY magic, you can transform your existing furniture into stylish masterpieces. Consider giving your old dresser a facelift with a fresh coat of paint or new hardware. Reupholster worn-out chairs, or add decorative pillows to breathe new life into them. With a little time and effort, you can achieve designer-worthy furniture at a fraction of the cost. Don't forget about the little details. Changing small accents around your home can have a big impact. Swap out outdated curtains for sheer light filtering options to brighten up your windows. Add decorative mirrors to create the illusion of more space and reflect light. Update your cabinet handles or drawer pulls for a subtle yet noticeable change. These little adjustments will help tie the room together and give it a polished finish. Lastly, let's talk about DIY projects that can add personality to your home. Create your own artwork by painting abstract canvases or framing sentimental photographs. Utilize your crafting skills to make customized décor, such as wall hangings or vases. Add indoor plants to bring life and freshness to your space. These DIY projects will not only save you money, but also give your home a unique touch that reflects your personal style. With these easy and affordable updates, you can transform your home into a personal oasis. From painting walls to upgrading lighting fixtures, revamping furniture, and adding personal touches, there are plenty of DIY projects to suit every taste and budget. So roll up your sleeves, unleash your creativity, and get ready to turn your house into a home that you'll love coming back to every day.